What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. So I've had the Pixel 2 XL, which is Google's newest phone, for 24 hours now, and I like it a lot. There's some things I like, some things I don't, coming from a Galaxy Note 8, which is basically the perfect phone to have, and then going over to the Pixel, which has some cool stuff, has some stuff missing, but overall, I like it. One of the things I really like about this phone is portrait mode. You hold your phone up to your face, or just hold it up and take a regular photo, front or back, and you can take a portrait photo, meaning when you take a photo, it puts that person or that object in focus and then blurs the background. Really cool. This is one of the coolest ones that does it too, because with Samsung and Apple, the way they do it, you need optimal lighting, and with the phone right here, the Pixel 2 XL, you don't need optimal lighting. It works really with any conditions, and it does it, rather than with the lens, it does it with software. So it works really cool. It looks really good. I actually enjoy it a lot. Well, my phone works perfectly, does it? My Pixel 2 XL, I was using it. The front works good, the back works good. Awesome. I got another phone for my wife, and not so much. This is what happens. You go into the camera, and you're perfect, right? So I'll just show you. Go into here, go to portrait. Works fine, goes into it. Now, there should be a button down here, and I'll show you on my other phone, but there should be a button down here that allows me to switch the camera. Well, you're saying, well, just do it manually. So I'll close out portrait mode, and then next what I do is I'm gonna turn this camera back on me. Hi, everybody. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go back into the hamburger menu, I'm gonna tap portrait, and it goes back to that rear camera like I was saying. So now let me show you my phone and how it works. So here we go. Here is my Pixel 2 XL. Let's go into portrait mode. Works fine. And you can see I can reverse the camera down here. Hi, everybody. Works perfectly fine. I'm still in portrait mode because you can see the X. Even if you don't believe me, I'll close it out. I still have the front-facing camera on. I'll tap the hamburger menu, go into portrait mode, and it stays on. So what's going on, Google? Now, I don't know if this is a widespread issue or not, but it seems like it doesn't work on this one. I've reset it tons of times. I literally reset this phone 3 or 4 times. I reset it as a backup to her phone. I reset it as a brand new setup with no account attached to it, and it still doesn't work. I've cleared out the cache and all that stuff on this phone for the camera and the downloads and the Play Store and basically everything. Nothing works with it, so it seems like it's defective to me. So at this point, I'm throwing it out to you guys. If you have a Pixel 2 XL and you're using either the front or the back, but for me it's the front, you're on the front camera is looking at you, and you go into the hamburger menu, and then you tap that portrait mode, and it automatically flip back to that rear camera for you? Because on my other phone, it doesn't, like you saw. So I'd like to know what you guys think. Do you think it's a wider spread issue? Do you think it's something local? I called Google. They tried to help me. They tried tons of stuff. They were into my phone, like literally like logged into the phone, looking at it, telling me where to click and try different things, and nothing works. So we're going to end up returning this phone, and she's actually going to just, for now anyway, stick with her regular Pixel. She's turned off enough by the screen being, just RGB, which basically really flat colors, nothing that really catches your eye like you get with the Samsung phones or LG phones like that. So hopefully Google puts out an update that removes that. That's a side thing. But regardless, let me know if you have that issue below in the comments with your front-facing camera on portrait mode. I'd like to know. And if there's a fix, hey, let's share it and get it out to the community. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you down the road. Peace!